Pero yung mantra natin lahat should really be na trabahante lang tayo. We are workers for the people and of the government. We are paid to do our work properly and efficiently. We are paid to see to it that the welfare of the people under whose care we are given to just, intindihin mo lang ang Pilipino. At yung response should really be kung ano lang ang tama. Wag sumubra wat magkulang. Just do what is right, period. We are governed by rules. So the moment you go out of those parameters of what's demanded of your work, diyan tayo nakakaproblema. Yan ang sa gobyerno, and I tried my very best to control corruption. Hindi lang ninyo alam, pero marami na akong cabinet members over the years, sa 5 years plus. I think I fired 6 cabinet members. Pero hindi lang ho ninyo alam kasi hindi rin ako mahilig I do not want to banner what you do and what you do not do. Sabi ko, bayad tayo.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.